Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube and TikTok, Instagram, Muna Driving Training, UAE, Abu Dhabi. So today we are with the new student. She has already driver license. How long you have driver license? How many months? Najma from India. Now 1 year she has driver license, but she need practice, refresh. But she has a little bit problem with the steering. No, Najma, we will show you how to use your hand properly in the steering while turning. Please make full turn right. Very good. Full turn left. Hand over hand. And keep your hand up, Najma. Close to each other. Yes, very good. Now, full steering right. Please, quick. Very good. Again, left. Full. Hand over hand. Make your car straight. 1, 2. Very good. And while you make your car straight, keep your hand all the time on the top of the steering. Turn to position. Okay? Full right. Right, madam. Keep your hand up. Full steering left. Very good, Najma. Again, repeat, please. This is very important exercise. You know, my student, she has already driver license, but while making turn, full turn in the traffic signal or in small island and narrow island in the road, you turn little bit confusing with the steering. Again, please, Miss Najma.
Right.
Yeah. Full left. Very good. Right. This video is special for Miss Najma to know properly how to use hand safely and properly in the steering while turning, while making full turn. Okay, keep your car straight. 1, 2. Car straight means tires is straight. Full left. Very good. Make car straight. 1, 2. Enough. Thank you very much, Miss Najma from India. She's taken now a refresh with me because she has a new car and she wants to be safe because she has kids and she wants to be very safe and to be very professional plus confident inside city. Thank you very much, Miss Najma. Thank you very much for all those who are watching my YouTube and TikTok, Instagram, Muna Driving Training. Anyway, if you have any problem with the driving, don't hesitate to call us. And please, if you like my TikTok or my YouTube and Instagram, just press like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Bye-bye, and please stay safe.